everyone, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so you can remember this beautiful gorgeous lady that made her hair the last time that the spray was paining her. A lot of people were just commenting on social media saying that she has a brain damage, she has a skull damage, that the spray is not good, the relaxer, the chemical, whatever was stressing her. So today again she booked an appointment. I want to make my hair. What style? Gel. The same hairstyle. So I just want to ask her, how was the pain? It was still continuing to pain her. This cord was bleeding. Or what happened? So what happened?
Well, when I used the spray, it was paining me so bad. Oh my god! I almost fainted, as you can see in that video, but God saved me. God saved my life, and now I'm fine. Yeah, I'm okay, and I don't feel pain anymore. My skull is good. Everything is fine.
Okay, so but you still want to make the same hairstyle?
Yes, I want to make the same gel hairstyle, but not the center. I'm doing side.
Okay, so right now you're doing side. Are you sure it's not going to pain you anymore?
No, it's not gonna hurt this time.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Okay, so why is your hair curly?
Because I just lose my cornrows. I made like 5 big cornrows, so I just took it down. That's why my hair is this.
Oh, really? You called me the other time that you want to tell me something. What happened?
Yes. Guess what? No, don't guess.
I don't want to guess. I don't want to
No
guess.
guessing. I have a surprise for you.
What? What surprise, please?
I'm getting married.
It's a lie. Are you for real? Hold on. Shut up. You're lying.
No, for real. I'm actually serious right now. I'm getting married.
Wait, lover found you.
Yes, finally.
So I want to know, why is the surprise? Why did you call me? Why did you you engaged?
Yes.
And did you not invite me?
I'm sorry. Because I wanted it to be a surprise, like I said. I
Are
wanted
you
to come here
serious?
and
Who's the luckiest man? Who's the person? Where is it from?
my King Handsome.
Okay, where's it from, baby?
My Michael Jordan.
Hold on, where is it from?
Well, he's from West London.
West London.
Yeah.
Like, are you serious? Does he base there? Is he from there? Is he citizen or how?
No, he lives in London actually.
So where is the wedding gonna hold?
Well, we've not decided on anything right now, but as time goes on, I'll let you know. Well, but it's actually going, I'm actually thinking of having it in the UK.
Really?
Yeah. So don't worry, I got you.
So that means I'm gonna fly with you.
You're coming with me.
So
You're touching that London.
Yes,
London, baby. Watch out, London. We are coming. Me and my favorite stylist.
I'm gonna
We're gonna
film.
be there live. And
Yeah,
direct.
I'm gonna film everything. The moment my leg touched London, hell, I'm done. Seriously, I believe I'm gonna find my soulmate there.
Oh
Yeah.
How many soulmates do you?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
You're mad. This lab is for real. Alright, so it's time for us to start. I'm gonna wash your hair, dry your hair, and all that shit. Okay? So we are thinking of either doing this or this. Okay, but it's still the same style, or this, but I think she said she doesn't want center parting, she wants side, so we still think of doing this particular style. Okay, please guys, subscribe to my channel, please.
Keep watching. Stay tuned. Did you hear me? Stay tuned.
When I say thanks for watching, that means it means a lot to me because I'm working hard to make this channel something special. So if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Please, I'm begging you. I've been putting in a lot of work into this channel, and every subscribe means the world. If you are enjoying this content, consider hitting the button and turn on your notification button, please. I'm begging, please subscribe to my channel, share my content, okay, for people that are interested to learn how to make ponytail, okay, and how to actually manage whatever they have to use and make their ponytail, okay, and how to maybe communicate with their clients and all. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, I'm really begging, subscribe to my channel, comment, tell me what you like about this hairstyle, okay, tell me what you don't like about it, so the next time I'll do better, okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and always supporting me, making me grow stronger and stronger each day. Thanks, darling. I love you. So like I said, as a stylist and a makeup artist, I have a lot of content there. How to make up, how to do this, how to do that, from scratch, step by step makeup, okay? As for beginner, and how to learn and become a pro. So there are a lot, and a lot are still coming. Man, it's not easy, boy. Sometimes I want to give up, but I just thank God. Everything is moving forward. Like you've heard, Love has finally found my client. Huh? She's so happy. Like, I was so surprised and shocked. When Love found a woman, she might feel, see, wave of emotion, some sobs, some powerful love. Also feels like, oh my God, like she can finally breathe and full of herself. Kind of happiness that bubbles up, that kind of stuff, the kind that comes from knowing she's seen, valued, and accepted. My goodness, I was so happy for her. Like, I was so surprised. Imagine a future with someone who truly gets her. You know what I'm saying? She feel valued and accepted. Oh my God. Not just wanted, but chosen. You know what I'm saying? When you're being chosen by a man, after all the girls around the world, he has chosen you. You know what that means? Oh my God. You feel loved. You feel so happy and excited that finally you're going to be the one ruling your house. You're going to be the one cooking your food and dishing your food, having measurement in your own home. Nobody's going to tell you, don't cross there and cross there. You're going to tell someone, don't cross there and cross here. Don't trespass. And the husband is always going to say, yes, babe. Yes, baby. And you're always going to say, yeah, darling, I know. Anyways, love is a beautiful thing, it's a gorgeous thing. And I love love. So, see you in the UK very soon, because I'm going to film everything. Okay. So I'm just so excited. I don't know about any other person, but right now I'm so excited because I'm going to travel. I have a lot of places to visit, but I can't because I need a financial to be there, okay? So I'm going to visit everywhere when the is there. So I keep working it and laying it down and watching it transform into something clean, style, and confidence. So sometimes change starts with, this is and turn it down, the whole new vibe. So I keep using my thread and needle. Okay, I've not started using needle yet. Okay, so I keep using my thread to tie it down, using my toothbrush to smooth it, make sure it's smooth. The smoothness is going to transform the hair to have this beautiful smooth. I don't know, but it's gonna be smooth, okay? Just gonna be smooth. It's going to be smooth. Okay, so I keep smoothing it, side by side, everywhere. Smoothing it. Make sure it laid down perfectly and is flat. Okay, so I turn to the side. We're doing C cuts. You know, we're doing C-cut. So I turn to the side, the same thing, same way, applying my gel, okay, precisioning it and trimming each piece with care and applying my gel. Make sure it gives me that shape that I wanted, okay. Then I make sure I section my ponytail part by part, because as you're cutting it, I have to put gel, lay down, then section another part, put gel, use my toothbrush, brush it perfectly well, brush it in such a way that when you hold it, it will not be, it will be very smooth, it will not give lines or mark, okay. You see how smooth it is, you see how beautiful it is, you see the pattern, very clear, very clear. So that's it. Then I think after here, I'm going to turn to the front. I do the same thing at the front. I'm tying it right now because I'm sectioning it and I'm tying it part by part. Okay, so I brought out the baby hair I'm going to use by this side with my toothbrush. Yes, with my toothbrush. Then I make sure I use gel to lay it down very well so that it will not get up when I'm trying to do the front. C-cut, C-flip. Smoothing your ponytail is really important because if you don't smooth it perfectly well, it's going to rough. And when your ponytail is rough, it's going to give lines. And when the hair gives lines, it's going to spoil quick, okay? So smoothing it, taking your time to smooth it is really important. So you see the side flip right now. I'm sectioning it part by part and I'm applying my gel. And I make sure I take my time to press it in, okay. Take your time, you don't need to rush, okay. Take your time, just do it perfectly well because it's hairstyle. She needs to look gorgeous, she needs to look beautiful, she needs to look classy, you know, okay, because she's paying for it, so our money needs to have value for what she paid for. She's looking transformed already. She's looking beautiful. You can see it. So I'm pushing it to the side. Make sure the remaining one, I'm going to tie it at the pony that I've already formed at the back, okay, where I'm going to use my wig or my hair to sew in. So we were just vibing, but I don't want to keep that voice note there. So I just wanted to run voice note through, but I'm tired. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel, okay? Support me more and more and more. Support me more and more. Subscribe to my channel so that I can grow, so that I can grow. You wanna make me grow? You need to subscribe to my channel. Let me grow. Let me grow. I need to grow. I need to support. I need to shake. Come and shine like me. I need to grow. Yeah, my song is sweet. Is that one sweetness or it sound like cockroach? I have a lot of talent, you know. I need to sing for you one day. I have a song. I've already sung like 2 songs, but you know, I don't know. But I don't know how my voice sounds like. You know, if you support me, it's really going to come out for real. Like, it's really going to come out. So that's how we're using the pony to start making the ponytail, and you know, we kept doing it and showing, and she was happy. She was so happy, like she was so happy because the last hair we make, she was really going through a lot. Yeah, I will not deny that fact. She was going through a lot. The spray was paining her, but she got over it. I think after like 3 days, that's what she said, that she got over it because the relaxer was actually hurting her scalp and she was not happy about it, okay. And immediately you retouch your hair because of the chemical that is in the relaxer, then you had that spray. It's going to be really hot, like so hot. I don't know what's always inside that spray that is always hotting like that, but you're going to see I'm going to use, imagine me using this spray right now. It's not hurting her because we've not retouched, because since that last time retouching, she's still carrying that same retouching, so we still had to make this beautiful gorgeous hair, you know. See, can you see that it's not paining her, it's not hurting her? So only God knows what's inside relaxer. Like, I don't even know. I've already mentioned those stuff, those chemical that's inside relaxer that is always making someone feel hot, you know. It's really crazy and it's painful. But finally, my baby is so gorgeous. Oh, she's so beautiful. I don't know how to spell it out. And our final look is bold. It's so fine, full of confidence. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button. I love you.